European Economic Area, the EEA, brings together the European Union and Iceland, Liechtenstein and Norway in the internal market. The EEA agreement is dynamic and continuously updated to ensure common rules for the free movement of goods, capital, services and people across the EEA. How does EU law take effect in the three EFTA states, Iceland, Liechtenstein and Norway? Experts from the three EFTA states contribute to shaping EU legislation before it is adopted by the EU. For instance, they participate in meetings of EU expert groups and committees. They also submit common positions to the EU institutions. When the EU adopts an act, the three EFTA states assess its relevance for the EEA and then request the EFTA Secretariat to draft a decision to incorporate it into the agreement. In this decision, the EU Act may need to be adjusted to fit the EEA agreement, for example, to ensure EFTA participation in an EU agency. Other adjustments reflect specific situations of the three EFTA states, such as geography or infrastructure. Each of the three EFTA states has its own national procedure to prepare for incorporation and implementation of an EU Act. When the three EFTA states have agreed on the content of the decision, it is sent to the EU External Action Service, the EEAS. The EEAS and EFTA Secretariat coordinate the discussions between the EU and the three EFTA states on the final text of the decision. Once the draft decision is ready, it is sent to the EEA Joint Committee for adoption. This committee meets around 8 times per year and is composed of the ambassadors of the three EFTA states and officials from the EEAS. It takes the formal decision to incorporate the EU Act into the agreement. Joint committee decisions normally enter into force 1 day after adoption. If a decision requires amendments to national law, the parliaments of the three EFTA states must approve it before it can enter into force. EU law that has become EEA law must be made part of the national law of Iceland, Liechtenstein and Norway. The EEA, extending the EU internal market to Iceland, Liechtenstein and Norway. If you want to know more about how EU law becomes EEA law, please visit our website.